We got a whole lot of interesting feedback from our ID. We went traveling, we went to Berlin, we went to London, went to New York to present our different IDs. So the results are that we have a few companies and a few research institutes aligned to work together with us. And we also pivoted our ID back from drones more towards satellites and space. So the value of the innovation program is basically that Rutger really helps us, right? He calls us every now and then like, hey guys, what are you doing? Can you please show me what your results are? How can I help? What do you need? And that was really the value of the program and all the big network around it. I think we presented the next level. That's what we did. So we showed what you could do with blockchain. We showed a different way of using the technology in a different field where actually no blockchain company has gone yet. And that's basically space. And that's why we presented here, because we think we got the next level and we need the help from the community to bring it to the next level. We push ourselves to do crazy shit. Yeah. So we have a few guys in our team who we keep on pushing to come up with crazy shit, and that's what comes out.
Space.
Space.